games on your PC, we need to install some gaming components. Model 1, install gaming services, open Microsoft Store, search for gaming services, click install or update, wait for the installation to finish, restart your PC, launch the game again. Top 2, update Xbox app, open Microsoft Store, click library, select get updates, update the Xbox app, restart the Xbox app, try launching the game. Number 3, sign out and sign back into Xbox app, open the Xbox app, click your profile icon, select sign out, close the app completely, reopen Xbox app, sign back in with your Microsoft account. For repair gaming services, open settings, go to apps, installed apps, locate gaming services, click advanced options, select repair, restart your PC, test the game. 5, reset gaming services, open settings, apps, select gaming services, open advanced options, click reset, confirm the reset, restart Windows. 6, repair Microsoft Store, open settings, go to apps, installed apps, select Microsoft Store, click advanced options, choose repair, reopen Microsoft Store. 7, clear Microsoft Store cache, press Windows R, type wsreset.exe, press enter, wait for Microsoft Store to open automatically, restart your PC. 8, reinstall gaming services, open PowerShell as administrator, run get appx package, Microsoft.gaming services, remove -appx package -all users, restart your PC, open Xbox app, install gaming services again when prompted. Task chart 9, install all Windows updates, open settings, go to Windows Update, click check for updates, install all available updates, restart your PC, try launching the game. 10, reinstall Xbox app, open settings, apps, uninstall Xbox app, restart your computer, reinstall Xbox app from Microsoft Store. Sign in and test the game. Bonus fix. Open command prompt as administrator, run sfc/scanow. After the scan finishes, run dicem online cleanup image /restore health, restart your PC, launch the game again. These solutions can fix the to play games on your PC. We need to install some gaming components error caused by missing gaming services, Xbox app problems, Microsoft Store corruption, or damaged Windows components on Windows 11 and Windows 10.